Do you have scanned documents that you can't edit? Old PDFs, images, or handwritten files causing problems? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We provide professional scanned document editing services online. Fast, accurate, and affordable. We convert scanned PDFs, images, and photos into fully editable Word, Excel, or PDF files without changing the original layout. Need to correct text, fix formatting, change names, dates, or numbers? We do it cleanly and precisely. Our service is perfect for business documents, academic files, legal papers, forms, and reports. We use advanced tools and manual checking to ensure 100% accuracy, proper alignment, and professional formatting. Your documents stay secure and confidential with us. Just upload your scanned file, tell us what you need, and we'll deliver your edited document on time. Save time. Avoid retyping. Edit your scanned documents the smart way. Contact us today and get your scanned documents edited professionally online. Visit tunar.com today or contact us in WhatsApp, Telegram, or email. Thank you.